from the book of Matthew, chapter 11, verse 28. Come to me, all of you who are worried and burdened, and I will give you rest. For those people na sobrang drained na ng pag-iisip nyo, ng buong katawan ninyo dahil sa buong maghapon na task na kinailangan mo na tahakin or pagtagumpayan, para doon sa rest na looking forward ka sa pagkatapos ng isang buong linggong sobrang drained, pati yung isip mo. Na only yung rest lang na from the Lord yung makapagbibigay sa'yo ng something na may contentment, something na may peace, something na may assurance and love. From Matthew chapter 28, diba? He says that surely I am with you always. That assurance that no matter what, sa anumang season, anumang reason ng buhay mo na kinakailangan mong tahakin, na kinakailangan mong tapusin, na kinakailangan mong kaharapin, He is always with you. Hindi ka mag-iisa. Kaagapay mo siya, katuwang mo siya, kasama mo siya. May you continue acknowledge His presence over your life. Hindi lang sa buhay mo, maging sa buhay ng lahat ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. May He continue to sustain you in all aspect of your daily tasks, of your life. Live your life to the fullest together with our good God. Enjoy life and be amazed.